long ago. I went away. Times were hard back then to find a brighter day.
What's that over there?
This part of Samson's Island too. That's Samson's Island Tickle. There's 2 islands.
Oh, okay. And down in this cove, that's Samson Island too?
Yeah.
Around the point there?
Around the point, yeah. I don't know if we can get up to it now because I'm low tide. 5 feet of water, 4 feet of water, 4 feet of water.
My younger days, fun and chores we helped in every way. Lots to do back in those times. With the little that we had, made it through just fine. Take me back to my own. From her shores I promise never more to roam. Take my hand and walk with me.
Long ago, as our history shows, nearly 100 years after Cabot came home, Britannia's rule reached out over the seas to make us her first colony. In old St. John's Harbour one fine August day, Gilbert's 4 ships in the still waters lay, while just above King's Beach procession he claimed over Newfoundland turf for the Queen. I've set my heart on this country so grand, was Gilbert's remarks for he left Newfoundland. Though he never reached Plymouth to tell the good news, his last words spoke more than the truth. We're nearer to heaven by sea, as close to perfection as an island can be. This world has its wonders, but it seems to me we are nearer to heaven by sea. Poets have praised this great country with pride. From its
There's lumber and rusted old nails by the door. We'll board up these houses to enter no more. Even the gulls won't come up from the shore. You know all the people are leaving. There's Tucker and Darcy and Captain Jim Brown. They've hauled up the boat and have battened her down. She's just one more soul that fate pushed to ground. The ocean's as still as a tombstone. We'll move to the city, they'll pay for our homes. If this town was a body, it would be skin and bones. One of the men who lie here in the ground, who died breathing life in that town. The dreams of our father.
my goodness gracious. It's a big one.
This is like 3 out of 1.